Hi guys, today I will explain how to fade in Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application and open a project in which you want to apply the fade in effect. Once you will open a project, take a look on the left top. You can see the option of import. Click on it and import your video on which you want to apply the effect. Once your video will be imported, take your mouse cursor on the video and click on the option plus. Once you will click on the option plus, your video will be added to the timeline. Once you've done all the editing, then time to apply the fade in effect. Take this timeline to the start of the video where you want to apply. Then take a look on the right side of your computer screen. You will see multiple options. From these, you have to tap on the option fade in. Once you will click on it on the top, you can see the option of fade in. The only thing you have to do is you have to adjust the timer of fade in effect just for showing you. I will select 1 second. Now the fade effect has been applied. Now let me play the video so you can see everything clearly. And as you can see, the fade in effect has been applied. You can also adjust the time manually by clicking on it. And here you have to enter the time on which you want to show fade in effect. Once you've done, export your video by clicking on the option export, and it was the way by which you can apply fade in effect easily.